Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. First part of this video I discussed about how to multiply with one constant with one matrix, and secondly I taught you how to get the multiplication, means how is possible to find the product of two matrices. Now we will discuss how to product of these two, and is this possible AB equal to BA. We will discuss about it. So first, as I told you the previous video, that how to know that whether the products are possible or not. So I taught you first, if the column of the first matrix is equal to the number of row of the second matrix is both are equal, then only possible A into B. Now here you can see both the matrices are of order 2 by 2, means square matrices. So both AB and BA are possible. Now here it is asked whether these AB and BA are both same or not. And generally in lower classes you learn that if you multiply 5 into 3 will be same as 3 into 5. Means this is called commutative property. So this commutative property holds for the integers and for rational number as well. So we will see whether this commutative property holds for this matrices or not. So we will use the formula, that is A. No need to check here whether this is possible or not, because it is not told. We have to find the AB and BA. Two, 5, 1, 3 is raining outside room. Heavy rainfall is there. So, as I told, you can use both your fingers to do this product. As I said, row versus column will be the operation. So, 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 3. What will be the position? First position. 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 3. Now next, 2 into minus 1, this column is done. So now we will operate with this column. Position of this column is second. So we will place here. Few of the students are having confusion regarding this, where we will supposed to keep the product here. So remember, we are starting with first column. So we will keep in first column. We will starting with second column, we will keep in second column. So first column, 2 into minus 1 plus 5, 2 into minus 1, 5 into 2. Now this operation is done for this first row. Operation is done. Now for second row, so we will go in second row. So 1 into 1 plus, you can see how I am operating. This hand will go this way. When you are doing first time, you might have problem to show how it is coming, but gradually when you will practice more and more sums, you will be getting easily. So 1 into 1 and 3 into minus 3. You can give here also multiplication, or you can give simple dot. Now again, 1 into minus 1 will be, where we are starting second column, so it will be in second column. So 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1, 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2. What will be the answer? You can see minus 15 plus 2 minus 13. Don't forget to give this bracket between, because you know if two signs are together consecutively, you are supposed to keep it separately. Now minus 2 plus 10, minus 2 plus 10, 8. 1 minus 9 will be minus 8, and minus 1 and plus 6 will be 5. So this will be the product. Thank you very much for watching. For more videos you can subscribe my channel, and you can share also with your friends. Thank you very much.